Chairman, given you said several times now that you have lending, not spending powers. Given that a lot of the capacity of these programs has not been used and really barely used, do you think that some of this money that has been dedicated by the Treasury to the Federal Reserve should be considered to be used by Congress as direct grants to businesses that are in need right now, or to households, given that Congress is now saying that money is limited and they do not want to pass a very large stimulus bill? Is this money doing the best for the nation as a backstop for Federal Reserve programs that don't seem to be being used all that much right now? Thank you, and I have a follow-up, sir.
So that's really a question for Congress. They appropriated that money and $454 billion for our facilities, and it's really a question for them. So you're right that our facilities have not, we haven't done as much lending as we thought, but in very substantial measure, that's because markets started working again fairly soon after we announced the facilities, particularly in the corporate credit facilities, also in the muni space, and also in the short-term funding facilities, the three of those that we set up. So we didn't turn out to need the kind of funding that we thought we would. On the other hand, it's important that the facilities stay in place, and that's why we extended them yesterday. It's important that they still stay in place until we're, very confident that the turmoil from the pandemic and the economic fallout are behind us. So I can't really speak to what Congress should do with it, but it's important that the facilities be there and be fully funded in case the needs do arise down the road. We don't see them now, but in case they do arise, they should be there.
Has any consideration, thank you, has any consideration been given to asking Congress to allow the Federal Reserve to lend to companies in bankruptcy? Thank you.
Not that I'm aware of, no.